My name is T'Challa, son of King Altair. We are from Egypt. In Egypt, we wear cloth to our waist to our knees. My cousins Kashan and Jose wear battle armor because they are in the military. In Egypt, we eat rice, bread, and other grains and fruit. Egypt is advanced. We have built underwater pyramids at the bottom of Lake Mills. We also built normal land pyramids. One day my father said I had to go with him to America with him so I can put treasure in the Grand Canyon. The trip took months. I got seasick a lot. When we arrived, it took a couple minutes to find the perfect spot. On the way back to Egypt, we sailed straight into a storm. Then I was really seasick. I was pretty sure my face was green. There were riptides everywhere. I was sick the entire time. 13 days later, the Romans attacked. We had to go to America again. I brought weapons to hunt for food. My mother, father, Uncle Iro, my cousins Kashan and Jose, and 5 men came with me. It's a lot different in America. It's cold, lots of trees, but I got lost trying to find Kashan once, but I found him.